Troubleshooting ITV Hub download issues on your TV.
Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a problem some of you might be facing: how to troubleshoot when the ITV Hub is not downloading on your TV. We'll go through a set of possible solutions, step by step.
Is your internet connection working?
The first step is to check your internet connection. ITV Hub requires an active and stable internet connection to download and operate properly. 1. Try accessing other streaming services or websites from your TV to see if they load. If they don't, the issue might be with your internet connection. 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. 3. If the problem persists, contact your Internet Service Provider, ISP, for further assistance.
Is your TV's system software up to date?
Outdated system software can sometimes cause issues with downloading and using apps like ITV Hub. 1. Go to your TV's settings menu and check for system software updates. If an update is available, install it. 2. Once the update is complete, try downloading ITV Hub again.
Do you have enough storage space?
Lack of storage space on your TV can prevent apps from being downloaded. 1. Check your TV's storage in the settings menu. 2. If you're low on space, try deleting some apps or data you no longer need, then attempt to download ITV Hub again.
Is ITV Hub available in your region?
Remember, ITV Hub is a service primarily meant for the UK. If you're trying to download it outside of the UK, you may encounter issues. 1. Check the availability of ITV Hub in your region. If it's not available, you might need to use a VPN service, if it's legal and you have the technical skills to set it up. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of ITV Hub not downloading on your TV. Remember to check your internet connection, ensure your TV software is up to date, verify enough storage space, and ensure ITV Hub's availability in your region. If all these fail, you might want to reach out to your TV manufacturer's customer support. We hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.